kind of born into motorcycles. Both sides of my family owned dealerships. My grandpa had a dealership in North Hollywood in the 60s, and then my mom's side of the family owned Van Nuys Cycle, a Harley dealership. Jay LaRossa, we're here in beautiful Lakewood, California in Long Beach. I'm hoping all these old-timers are going to pass on their knowledge. That's what I was really hoping I could pass it on to my boy. Brought him in, started working when he was older, and he loves racing. Once I got him on a big bike, on a big track, he fell in love with it, and now he wants to race. Got cancer. That was about 2007. By the time they figured it out, I had non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, stage 4B. When I got done with my treatment the last time and built this bike, I hit all the shows, went to Portland. I think I debuted it in Portland at the one show. Just seeing people's reaction and talking to people, it kind of brought the love of motorcycle back into me. This was just a mechanical restoration, a wire harness, everything's brand new. Split cases on the motor, boarded, valve job. Started collecting all the manuals. There's a lot of vintage crazy stuff up there. Hard spins, this is the main box I work out of, and then the wiring station. My name's Jay LaRossa, own Lossa Engineering and West Coast Restoration Services. Oh, I haven't done that in a long time.